What's up, guys? So as you can see, it's snowing out. We're taking the Accord to be dropped off to get wrapped. So yep, let's get a cold start really quick. We're gonna be driving the Accord in some snow. So yep, I'm gonna go take the Accord to get dropped off to get wrapped, and I'll be back, guys. Alright guys, so we're here at GP Customs. That's who's doing the wrap. So yep, I'm gonna go inside and drop the car off now. But I think the next point in this video will be me picking the car up. So I'll see you guys then. Peace. So as you guys can see, the car is wrapped, and this is what it looks like now. So yep, it's blue, guys. Blue Skidoo, blue CT2. That's what it is. This is all black. Oh, I don't have my keys, so I can't pop the trunk. But yep, I think it looks pretty good. So yep. That's it for this, but there is something else that's going to be in this video now too, so I'll be back. Peace.